Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. So today we're doing another cat. This time we are doing the vampire cat. This one has been requested to look like our cat, Mr. Cat. Spelled with a K, named after my sister from another Mr. Cat. You know, the one, cat scrappiness. Anyway, yes, so she has requested a black cat, so this is going to be a pretty easy one. I'm thinking I'm going to put something in the eyes and possibly on the little white teeth. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, this is just going to be black. It's going to be a black cat. So, because he's all black. Hopefully editing Megan has already put a picture up there for you. So, yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Super simple and easy, just like the last one. We're going to do this in a 2-layer pour because it's a deep mold, and I don't want it to superheat. So, get our resin warmed up and mixed up and poured. And yeah, hopefully it turns out cute. Wish me luck. Alright, friends, cat number 2. Are we ready to see how it looks? This is the plain black one. I believe I told you that in the intro. She just wanted it plain black after our cat, Mr. Cat. These are actually not hard at all to get out of the molds. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know that there were wings in the back. Ah! Let me turn this the correct way. Oh, that's so cute. What is that? Is that something from the mold? Yeah. Oh, wow. Look how perfect it is, you guys. Not a bubble in sight, unlike the last one. There's a tiny little one here in the collar, but I don't even know if you're going to be able to see it that well, so. Oh, it's so cute. I did not know it had wings. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Oh, I can't wait to show it to her. And I'm just pointing this out because I'm just noticing it on this one. I don't see a seam line where there were 2 pores, which is the good thing about using colored resin. Alright. It's adorable. I love it. I really do. That is today's video, you guys. Super simple and easy one. Some of these have to be, like I told you. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.